Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to own smart sidebar. Friends, you want to own guys smart sidebar on your oppo phone device, so how to own and use a smart sidebar today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. So friends, now let's see how to own and use a smart sidebar setting on oppo phone. Friend, first open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on your tool setting. After on tool setting, friends, you can see first navigation setting. Friends, you want to on guys your gesture setting. Swipe gesture from both sides, guys. You can on from here. Friends, you want to change your three button layout style. Friends, you can change your three button layout style from here, guys. Friends, you can see screenshot setting is here. Friends, you want your three finger screenshot, you can on, and friends, you can see three finger touch and hold to take a screenshot, so you can on touch and hold to take a screenshot. So when scroll it friends, you can see guys your smart sidebar. Tap here friends, you can see smart sidebar. So friend, how to on smart sidebar friends, you can see after only you can use the right side get the smart sidebar setting. And friends, you can see as like shortcut setting friends, you can take a screenshot, screen recording, direct friends, you can start your YouTube app from here. So friends, you can see, so once you want to take a screenshot friends, you can see screenshot, so why we can take a screenshot. Once you want to on photos, and once you want to add any app, so friends tap here and guys click on app setting, and friends you want to add any app. Friends, you want to add your game, so you can add your games. Friends, you want to add guys your phone setting, so you can add guys your phone setting. Friends, you want to on guys as you want to add guys your share me app. And friends, you want to remove this app, so friends tap here, then this app will remove it. So done option, and friends now you can see direct friends, you are here, you want to on setting a right side swipe setting, you can on it. Friends, you want to on guys your share me app, friends you can share me app direct friends, we can on it like that, and friends we can use it. With share me app guys, you can use your YouTube. As you can see, we can use YouTube, we can use share me app, both of app guy we can use. So like the guy we can on guys smart sidebar setting fans, and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.